In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable custom thumbnails. Hi, welcome to Victoria Project. My name is Victoria and I'm here to share my journey on making $100,000 in a year, leveraging YouTube, freelancing and the rest of it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable custom thumbnails, which will allow you to make use of your own video thumbnails designed outside YouTube, either using Canva, Photoshop and the likes, any design software or online platform, along with use of it along with your video at the time of uploading or publishing such video. Let's get started. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to enable custom thumbnails. Then also I am going to teach you how to design a video thumbnail using Canva, just a very simple design. So you go into the back end of your channel. Here is how to get there. You click on your icon. You either click on my channel or you go to YouTube Studio. So let me use YouTube Studio. So here I'm going to go back to Creator Studio Classic. Skip. Then you click on channel. Our custom thumbnail, it is not enabled. So to enable custom thumbnail, we will have to verify our YouTube account, the YouTube account. We have to verify the YouTube account. So you click on the verify link. You select your country. You select your country, although YouTube pre-select it for you using your browser's location. So you select your country. You can either use call or text verification. So I'll be using the text verification. You input your number. You input your phone number, your mobile number. You click on submit. So all you have to do is wait for Google to send in your verification code. So we are waiting for Google to send in the verification code. So we got the code. We're waiting for YouTube to send the code. So I got the code just now. So I'll put in the code. So I input the code, then you click on submit. So if we click continue and we go back to our screen, we'll see that it says verified. And if you scroll down, custom thumbnails is enabled. Let me show you how to use it on any given video. If you have videos uploaded on your YouTube account, you go to your video manager, you click on edit. Now instead of just being able to use just one of the 3 thumbnails given to you or selected for you by YouTube, you can click custom thumbnails and upload your custom thumbnail you have designed, either using Canva, Photoshop or any design software or online platform. You click on save changes and you go back to our videos again. You can see our custom thumbnail is live. So or you upload a new video, you click on the upload, you click on this video icon with the plus sign, you click on upload video, you upload your video. While your video is uploading, you fill in your video title, description and tags. So these thumbnails, video thumbnails won't select until the video is done processing. So that is when we can change. So let's wait for the video to process. So our video is done. You click on custom thumbnail, down, you scroll down, then you click on custom thumbnail. You select your thumbnail where it is. And yeah, when you publish your video, now let's create a custom thumbnail using Canva, a free online graphic design platform. It's an online graphic design platform that you can use to design logos, templates, YouTube banners, social media graphics and the rest of it. So you can design a lot of things using Canva. You click on create a design, social media designs, documents, personal, education, and the YouTube thumbnail, the YouTube video thumbnail Canva uses. Yeah, it is, the size is 80 pixel by 720 pixel. You can make use of this, or you create your own custom dimension, and you can use video size, which is 1920 by 1080 pixel. So I recommend this custom dimension, but you can also make use of this. You can just click on this and design, but I'll be using this. It's a very simple design. You can work more when you have time by yourself, so I'm just going to create a very simple design, just giving you a heads up on how to get started using Canva. So let's say I'm picking this. You pick a template from here, you click and drag, so let's see. Sometimes the text are always grouped together, so you select the text, you click on ungroup, so you can move them as you want, or delete which you don't want and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to change this text. So I'll stretch it a little to fit. You can change the text size either by scrolling down, picking one, or you type in directly. This is too small, but I'll just go with it since I'm just giving you guys this very simple design. You can also change your font. You can also change the font of this. You can add more text. Click, and the text is added. The text box is added. Some text here. Whatever you want to add, wherever you want to place it. You can change the color, the font size. You can change the color, text color, make it bold, italicize it, change the alignment either in center, middle, uppercase or lowercase. Maybe you have a list, or I want this to have spacing. Yeah, line height. You can just do whatever fits you till you get your perfect design that you want. I'll delete this. You can change the background color, add yours, and change this, add yours. You can also change this image. Just go to elements, type in whatever image you want. Let's say video. You search. So you can, if you have some cool cash, you can buy this, or you look for the free ones. You look for free video, like this is free. You add it in. You can delete this. I think the video is used as the background. So you have this, delete. You can also add, you can also upload you can upload your images if you have yours, like maybe your logo, your personal image for video bloggers and the rest of that. Back to elements without searching, you can add gradient, you can add shapes. So let's add a gradient fill to this to cover it up. Just click into the size. I think this is the size. You can change the gradient color here. Transparency, click on it. Transparency, to reduce its transparency to blend in. To blend in with your object, with your design. You can change the position. Clicking it goes backward. Forward. So you have your text in front. You can change the color of your text. Let me go for this. Okay, this is not too good, not coming out well. I can copy this, something like this. So this is just a very simple design. You can decide to add clip art, smile. Remember guys, this is not a full tutorial on teaching you how to design using Canva. So I just want to get you started on how to make use of Canva for your video thumbnails design, so you can do this for free. So whatever direction you want to go to is up to you for your video thumbnail. So here you can also change the name so it will be easier to identify. Video thumbnail. Episode 1. You click on enter. It's as easy and simple as this. You just have to keep on working on the designs to achieve whatever you want to achieve. can put your logo, change your color. Okay, here you can add a video link, music link. You can bend it into your designs. You can add emojis. You can use your Facebook photos. That means you connect your Facebook to your account. You can use your Instagram photos in place of using uploads method. You can use photos from Dropbox. You can search and add videos, YouTube videos. You can use GIF, everything you want to. So when you're done with your design, when you're pleased with your result, you click on download. This icon here, you click on it. They suggest you download as PNG. You can either use PNG or you click on it and select JPEG, that's JPG or PNG, whatever ones you will want to. So I'll click on PNG, then select background. Wait for it to download. We have a video image here, so let's go back to one of our videos and change this image. Just click on change image. You look for it in your download file. I do recommend saving in downloads or desktop for easier access. You click on the file. Let's wait for it to upload. Remember guys, while waiting, this is the dimension I recommend, or I personally make use of, 1920 by 1080, but you can make use of Canva's personal dimension, which is 1280 pixel by 720 pixel, whichever. I think both works fine. So our thumbnail is ready. Save changes. Yeah, this is our thumbnail, so it's coming out perfect. Let's click on the video. That's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I design YouTube banners, YouTube video thumbnails. You can get a YouTube banner or video thumbnail from Fiverr. I'll drop the link in the description. Do check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Stay well, stay happy, keep making money. Thank you for watching.